Do 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 do. Keepsake Quilting. All right, let's dig in. I am not going to turn around the camera like I did for the last couple videos, just because I'm on a time crunch and I want to get these recorded and uploaded right away. So here we go. Keepsake Quilting. Before I go into this, I have received this box about 3 times now based off recommendations that I got from a video I uploaded in July, and I have yet to post any of those videos because every time I open it, I struggle with how I'm trying to explain my disappointment in this box. I'm not disappointed in the box. I'm disappointed in the representation of what the box is. So let me just, full disclosure first, this is a box from a company called Keepsake Quilting. It is called Keepsake Quilting Treasure Box. And they don't tell you on the website, they don't tell you really anywhere that I saw, that the box is not a Keepsake Quilting Treasure Box. No. It's a quilty box. Yep. It's like $2 more than a quilty box. But oh, don't worry, they give you something extra in this box that you don't get if you go to Quilty Box directly and get the box. You know what it is? Brochure and propaganda for their store. And there's sometimes a little lanyard or a freebie down in there, but those freebies are like a 99-cent or cheaper item. Last month I got a fabric tape, like one of those fabric measuring tapes that you buy at Joann's for like 25 cents. I got one of those. All right, so I'll share this video with you. We're gonna unbox this, but I just want to tell you, if you like the items in this box, save yourself the disappointment and the frustration and just go to Quilty Box directly and get the box from them. All right, let's dive in. Okay, this month, the Sewing Notion is fabulous. Again, these are Quilty Box classic items. All right, Quilty Box, I got a problem with you this month, and I have less of a problem with Keepsake Quilting. So, Quilty Box is saying that this booklet of articles and patterns is worth $10. So this would be $10 of the retail value. It does feature Edita Star, I think, Sitar. I can't pronounce her name. I'm so sorry. But I've seen her on Missouri Star and stuff, so I know who she is. But it's got a pattern in here called Sky and Sea by Laundry Basket Quilts, which is where Edita Sitar is from, and they're retailing these pages in the $10 book at $8. So this whole thing is retailed at $18. That is my problem with Quilty Box. All in all, I like the stuff that they do. I like what they send. I actually like the book, but I have a problem when they retail the book at between $10 and $20 combined and still charge you $50 for the box. All right, Keepsake Quilting this month though, they stepped up their game. We've got 2 extra notions down here. These do not appear to be in the bundles of inspiration with a retail price, which leads me to believe that if you get the Quilty Box Classic from Quilty Box, you will not get these 2 items. But I don't know if that's true, so if you get the Quilty Box Classic directly from Quilty Box, leave me a comment down below. We've got a seam ripper, and we've got a magnetic needle nanny, and it is actually handmade, and on the back it's got a very strong magnet. And I'll tell you what, this thing is strong because it had this and the other metal item that I have in the box like held to it. So that's kind of cool. I have a Tula Pink version of this and I don't use it. But I think that might be because I don't know how to use it. So, oh, it also has a buttonhole cutter. I have one of those, but cool. This I will use. I think that's cute. I have a safety pin over there that's hung up on my wall. It's metal and I like putting all my magnets on it. All right, Quilty Box items. We have a spool of Wonderfill thread the color this month is this. This retails for $4.99. Let me turn this, see if you can get a better, there we go, better representation of the color. Having a hard time getting it, there we go. There, that's perfect. But now I look dark. I need to figure out lighting 101. We have a pair of 4.5-inch Tula Pink hardware tweezers. I'm not going to pull these out because I got a pair in a sew sampler box, and this is what they look like. All right, guys, forgive me. My nose is a little congested. I'm getting over a cold or allergies or something. That retails, by the way, for $9.99. We have a lollipop template that retails for $5, and apparently you will need this for so many combinations for beautiful quilts. All right, last up is the fabric bundle. It is this. We have a royal blue fabric bundle from Andover Fabrics that retails for $30. Let's open up the bundle and see what each one of these items look like. I actually like this, so let me see. We've got a nice chunk of yardage here. Ooh, this is some big yardage. I think this is about a yard, maybe a yard and a half. And it's got little laundry baskets on it. Let me just hold this up. It's like a cream color with some laundry baskets on there. We also have a variety of blues. So this is the first one. This is a fat quarter. Turn it around so you can see it. We have another fat quarter there. This is our fat quarter number 3. This is our fat quarter number 4. And this is our fat quarter number 5. And I think, just gonna look, and it's a star. Yeah, okay. Okay. So what we have here, 5 fat quarters, and this is 1 1/4 yard of background fabric. All of this is exactly what you need to make the quilt top for this. And you know what? I'm actually gonna do this because my mother-in-law and my mom, and I actually kind of like it too. I think that's beautiful. So it's gonna go in one of my 20 bins of active projects that I'm gonna work on. So this month I'm actually not too upset with the box. I think my biggest struggle with this box is that they charge you $50, but they count this as $10 or $18 or $20 value, and I don't agree with that. I like it. Oh, but let me just show you what you're looking at, though. Maybe you think it's worth the value. You have multiple patterns in here. I'm okay with the $10 value on this. What I'm not okay with is an $18 value on this because of that third pattern. Anyway, that's all I've got. That is our Keepsake Quilting box for October 2019. I have asked now twice to cancel this box. I'm still getting it. I'm still getting charged. I don't know how to cancel it. I hope that I won't have a box from Keepsake Quilting for you in November, but the rate this is going, I probably will. Leave me a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all in the next video.